Hello everyone and welcome to the Tech Insight Lab. So today we are going to talk about the battery of the Apple Vision Pro. Apple recently introduced this AR/VR system, and the teardown of this device was quite impressive because we saw a lot of interesting components actually for the camera and other camera, logic part, memory. But in terms of the battery, we saw something very interesting because compared to the, for example, HTC VIVE, the Apple Vision Pro doesn't have any battery inside the device. So as you can see the teardown image, there is no battery part here or on the back of the device. This is actually just the whole battery pack is this one that is connected externally to the device. But the question is that why they use this design and what is the difference between this design and with the other competitors like the HTC VIVE. In HTC VIVE, they have two small batteries inside the system, and those small batteries were charging with the two other batteries on the back, which is the 10 times higher capacity, and the person actually can use the AR system without the battery pack on the back, or it can just connect it into it and have it while it's going to charge the main device. But in the Apple, they use this battery pack, which is connected with this cable, into this part. So now the question is that why they go for this design and what is the advantage of this? Because from the user experience, it's not something really comfortable to have something like the power bank in your pocket and while you have this gadget on your head. But Apple has a good reason to use this design. First of all, this battery has a very high capacity. Compared to the HTC VIVE, this battery actually has 3 times more capacity than that one. Second, this battery it's very heavy. The weight of this battery is almost 320 grams. So just imagine if you have this battery on your head, so it's going to be very heavy. So it's not a very good to have it on your have this weight on your head. But these are not only the thing that they have it. As you see here, the battery has the capacity of the almost 3.2 amp hour, but with the voltage of the maximum voltage of the 13.
We hope you enjoyed the beginning of the Apple Vision Pro battery video. Scan the QR code on the screen for the full video and analysis, exclusively available on the Tech Insights platform. Tech Insights, the authoritative information platform for the semiconductor industry.